Have you ever wished you could easily add rounded corners to your images in Photoshop, but weren't sure where to start? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a quick, reliable way to round corners in Photoshop 2025 using the rectangle tool and a clipping mask. By the end, you'll be able to give your photos or graphics a smooth, professional look, perfect for web design, social media posts, or just bringing a modern touch to your work. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is select the rectangle tool. You can find it over in the toolbar on the left side. The shortcut key for it is U now. If you don't see the exact rectangle tool, you might need to click the Shape Tools icon and pick Rectangle from the little dropdown. This tool is perfect because it lets you easily create shapes with customizable corners. Now go ahead and draw a rectangle over your image. Don't worry about being absolutely precise with the size yet. You can always resize it later if you need to. When you're dragging out your rectangle, pause for a moment and check the options at the top. Make sure the fill is set to a solid color. This will help you clearly see your shape over the photo. Also, make sure the stroke, which is the outline, is set to transparent so it doesn't add any unwanted lines around your shape. Here comes the fun part, rounding the corners themselves. Photoshop gives you two great ways to do this. If you look closely at your rectangle, you'll notice tiny circles at each of the four corners. By clicking and dragging these, you can round the corners visually and see the effect in real time. Feel free to experiment. You can choose just a subtle roundness or go for a dramatic curve depending on your project. If you prefer more precise control, open up the Properties panel by going to Window, then Properties. Here you'll find sliders or numerical fields where you can enter an exact radius for those corners. This is especially handy if you need all four corners to be identical or if you're working with specific design guidelines. Okay, now we need to combine this rounded rectangle shape with your photo using a clipping mask. This step might sound a bit technical, but it's actually super straightforward. In your Layers panel, look for the image layer, that's your photo or artwork, and make sure it's directly above your shape layer. If it isn't, just click and drag the layer so that it sits right on top. Then right-click on your image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Instantly, your photo will snap into the boundaries of your rounded rectangle, neatly confined with perfectly smooth corners. At this point, you might want to adjust your image a little bit within the rounded shape. Maybe the photo is slightly off-center, or the composition feels a bit cramped. No problem, just select the Move tool and reposition the image as needed, or resize it so it fits perfectly inside your newly rounded frame. It's a bit like cropping, but without losing any of your original image data. When you're happy with the look, let's make sure we save it out the right way. If you want to preserve the rounded corners and the transparency around them, which is perfect for placing your image over colored backgrounds or web designs, export your image as a PNG file. Just go to File, Export, and select Export As. In the export settings, make sure transparency is enabled and you're all set. And there you go, a super simple, flexible way to add rounded corners to anything in Photoshop 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Photoshop tips. See you in the next video.